Here I want to show you real quick how to add transitions between two clips. Two clips right here in the timeline, and I'm going to play these real quick. And it kind of works, but it just cuts from one clip to the other. Maybe you want to have a smoother transition, like a cross dissolve. And in order to do that, we select the Transitions tab in the browser section right here. And here we have a whole bunch of different transitions. You can scroll over them to see how they work. Most of them you're never going to be using, except for maybe the first four. And let's try with a cross dissolve right now. So same thing as bringing down a clip to your timeline, you do the same thing with the transition. So you just select it, click and drag, and we add it between the two clips. And now let's see how it looks. This computer is a little bit slow, working with 4K footage here, so the transition doesn't look as smooth yet. But let's say it's only a 1 second transition and you want to make it longer. You can just double click it and change the duration to like 3 seconds. And this is how you add a transition.